A lot of us in our 40s, 50s, or 60s are walking around hurting every day. Whether it's your knees, your back, your shoulders, you have inflammation, you have joint pains and aches, and you can't do what you used to recover. It takes forever, and you're in pain a lot of the time. It happens to a lot of us, especially when hormones start shifting. I mean, women who are going through menopause, you hear it all the time. My body's just not the same. Things feel different. Joints hurt. I'm in pain, among other things. And men, it happens to you too. I was living it and I was tired of feeling like this is it, that I should just accept it. So I went down this rabbit hole looking for something that can help, especially with the pain. And it seems like everybody's talking about wellness and peptides and modern medicines and routines and such. And I kept hearing about this thing called PDA or Pentadeca Arginate. It's basically a compound made up from 15 different amino acids combined with arginate. You hear about it a lot in the same conversations as peptides because people are looking at it for recovery, to reduce inflammation, joints, tissue repair, soreness, and overall healing just as they age. For me, it was pain. Now, look, I'm not pretending to be a doctor. I don't have the answers. I'm not a scientist, but I'm just telling you what I've been researching and what I'm using because I got tired of feeling beaten up all the time. The conversation that more people our age are having now is not how do I become 25 again? It's how do I wake up and not feel wrecked every day? That was me. And so PDA or Pentadeca Arginate has helped. I get mine from Clinic Secret. If you want to know more about it and order some, click the links in the comments below and see if it's right for you.